on. Now I have 8 new petals at the ends here. So I'm going to have to put 8 of these through. I guess I will just tie this one, tie it onto here, so I'll know what I'm doing. Okay, so that has to come through here and be about this long. Okay, so I'm going to do that with 8 of these. I'm not going to keep it tied on over there. I'm just tying it on over there so I know what I am doing. So I don't lose them all. Okay. Well, this one now comes through here, and we'll cut this to be the same length as that. Okay. And we'll go through another one. And this over here. We'll cut this to be the same. Okay, and we'll do it again over here. We'll loop it a little bit and then we'll stick it through the next one here. Bring it up here. Loop it there. And we'll put the next one to be that length. And we'll get another one, so we've got 4 now. Skip one hole in the next hole. Bring this over here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to do this 8 times because we have those 8 extra petals there. Or, yeah, 8 extra that we just added on. So this is number 7. And this is the last one, the number 8. Okay. Now I'll tie these all together back here. I'll show you how you tie them. Okay, now to tie these, okay, so we have our 8. Okay, these later you'll tie them onto here. So the way they will eventually be tied on after they've gone through the petals is come up from the bottom. You divide them in half, you go behind it, cross them over, or no, cross them over in front, go behind and cross them over again, come to the front and tie a bow. There, and then they'll be easy to take off. Okay,